Hello, I'm Jeff Helms, Communications Director with the Alabama Farmers Federation, and visiting with us today is Supreme Court Justice Mike Bolin. Justice Bolin, tell our members why you're seeking re-election to the Supreme Court.
Well, I'm going to tell you, I love my job. I really do. I loved practicing law a long time ago. I loved being the probate judge in Jefferson County, but this has been a dream job for me. I came to the court really as a result of what we did in probate court when I was there, especially involving family issues and children's issues. And the Supreme Court has struggled with some adoption cases, one of them in particular. And me and some other probate judges got together and decided, one of us needs to be down there. They don't know what we do. And, you can miss a case that involves money or something else, and you can always go back and make more money. But you can't go back and fix a child's life if that case is ruined. So that's what caused me to run, and of course we have the whole gamut of cases, the civil justice issues, the criminal issues, the domestic issues, but still the reason I'm there is for the children's issues.
Tell us a little bit about your experience and what makes you the best candidate for Supreme Court Justice Place 2.
Well, you mentioned experience, and I think I have to start there. I began my career as a lawyer in Jefferson County. I practiced law for 16 years and tried cases in all courts, all different kinds of cases. After that, I was the probate judge in Jefferson County for 16 years. And in Jefferson County, that's a court where you stay in the courtroom all the time. So you have to learn as a judge how to maintain control of your courtroom, give a fair hearing and a fair shake to all the litigants and all the lawyers that come before you, but make the right decision and do it on the spot. So I think being on the appellate bench, it's been so important to have been a lawyer and a trial court judge to know what goes on there, because that's what we do is review what trial courts have done. So I think the experience certainly weighs in my favor, but more importantly to me, in my heart, is philosophy. I'm the product of a steel worker and a stay-at-home mom, and those values that I received as a child are my being now, and you can't take those away. And they do bleed over into your judicial philosophy. And if I'm anything in life, I'm just a down-home, conservative, average Alabamian. And I was brought up to respect the rule book. And if you do that in every case, if you just take the people that come before you and see what happened with the facts below and apply the rule book strictly, the rule of law as it's written to the case before you, then you're going to get it right. It doesn't make it a hard job.
With the election just around the corner, tell our members what they can do to get involved in your campaign and help ensure you're reelected November 2nd.
Your members are great, and many of them are my friends. If you can just get them to reach out to their friends in the neighborhood, their friends at church, their family members, to make sure that everybody's registered, if they've moved in the last couple of years, to change their voter registration and then vote. It looks like a good year, but you can't take anything for granted. If everybody will vote, and if we have a huge turnout, it's going to go well. It's going to go well for the state, and that makes it go well in my race. And I'd also ask you members, when they have time and they're on the computer, to go to my website at Bolin.mov and learn more about me and my candidacy. And I thank them for doing that.